In this video, we'll show you how to ship fragile items. Fragile items are goods that need special care and attention during shipping. These items include musical instruments, glass bottles, and antiques. To ship fragile items, you'll need a sturdy, rigid box. Make sure the box isn't too small or too big. It needs just enough room for extra padding. You'll also need plastic tape, a shipping label, and bubble wrap for wrapping the item. First, wrap the item carefully with a thin sheet of bubble wrap for extra protection. Fill any gaps with additional padding so the wrapped item fits tightly inside the box. It's important this is done carefully and there are no empty spaces left inside the box. Add an additional label inside the package. Now seal the box using the H-taping method. Finally, label the box. Make sure you don't place the label around the corner of the box or on the bottom. Highlight that the shipment is fragile by clearly marking the box. Then, you're ready to send your package. Thanks for watching. Explore the shipping channel for more videos.